So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Infibeam Avenue share. So there are few updates regarding Infibeam Avenues. So we know that recently investor meeting has happened and the company has released an update in the BSE website. So we'll download that particular website and we'll see what are the major updates regarding that particular investor meet, and also we'll discuss about the future forecast which is provided by Simply Wall, and also it has provided details regarding EPS as well, which are very interesting. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before we go through the update regarding Infibeam Avenues, so many people are having doubt regarding the bonus issue. So definitely tomorrow it will be reflected in your portfolio, because already those shares which you got as bonus will be in your demat and will be reflected within tomorrow itself. So make sure you carefully watch how much you have invested and how many shares you have received. So starting with the update regarding Infibeam Avenues. So if you see, a virtual type of conference call happened on 19th or 3/2021, and again another meeting is supposed to happen on 25/3/2021. So if you see, on 19th, Dalal and Brocha Broking Private Limited was the company where a virtual meeting has happened, and next meeting is with White Oak Capital, ASK RJ, Karma Capital as well as New Horizon. So that is on 25/3/2021. So some good meetings are being held with, these are good renowned companies only, so you can search in Google as well. So the company has been discussing regarding various aspects of institutional investors as well. Okay, so we know that Simply Wall has also provided data regarding the future forecast of Infibeam. So we'll discuss that as well, and then we'll switch over to the charts to find out next possible levels. Okay, so before discussing about this particular data, if you are also having any doubt regarding any share, you can message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So there you can clarify all your doubts. If you want any separate video analysis also, you can message me there. I'll try to take the request and make all the videos. So you can see the future forecast has been predicted. So you can see the graph, how it is pointing upward. So Simply Wall is a particular website. So if you want to search about any stock, you can type the stock name and you can type Simply Wall and you can go through the details. Okay, so you can see next in 2021 and 2022, you can see the stock potential is much more present, because digital payments, as usual, I told you when you were discussing about fundamentals, so huge potential is there, especially that companies with which it is basically doing partnerships. So those companies are also having very good potential. So next, coming to you can see percentage wise also they have provided 98.4% annual growth. So next, coming to earnings per share growth, so that also you can see is increasing on regular basis. So from 0.6 you can see it has started going up, and roughly near 2.5 is the EPS as well. So that is also increasing on regular basis. Okay, so not only regarding this particular stock, you can type any stock and you can find the basic details. So this is the forecasted EPS, which is turning out to be very positive. So basically when market corrects, already I told you, try to buy good quality stocks, accumulate them basically at each and every fall, because opportunity comes once in a while, but correction also, it's not necessary that continuously it should fall. It will retrace again and again, but you need to make sure that you're investing at the right levels. Okay, so next, coming to the deliverable quantity. So if you see, on March 19th, we have seen 70.7% deliverable quantities, and previously if you compare, it was 62.1%, and that previously if you see only 44.1% was present. So that time we know that little traded quantity will be present, volatility will be present, because at that time bonus issue, that particular update was going on. So after that we have seen the considerable fall. So what next is the big question. So nothing to worry, since deliveries are also increasing, so market also may be little volatile due to various global factors. So try to accumulate it. So when to accumulate, which level would be best, so that also we'll discuss. So now let's switch over to technical charts. Okay, so you can see this is the one-day chart of Infibeam Avenue share. So we know that from the bonus issue, considerably little flat movement was present. So moderate positiveness was seen. So market was also a little bearish on Friday. Again, it has closed with positiveness because of the global factors was settling little bit. So tomorrow again, it's worth watching. So if if it shows any sort of downfall, definitely some stocks will also correct. So if Infibeam corrects, definitely the support which we are seeing is 40 rupees. So this is very crucial. So make sure you watch this support very clearly. So let it sustain. I want to tell you, let it sustain. So let it go for 2 to 3 days. So try to see how the stock is moving, whether it is moving with high volatility or whether it's correcting in a moderate way. So let it settle for a few days, then try to buy that particular stock. So if we jump in at this moment also, little, we can't judge anything, because basically stock market is only unpredictable. So we can't judge anything. So that's why let it settle a little bit, let it move sideways. So then you can try to accumulate. So that would be the best strategy. At current price also you can try, but don't put entire investment, just put roughly 20-30%, and after that you can invest the other quantity as well. So many stocks are there today. Again, in Telegram I'll post a set of 10 stocks that you can add into your watch list. So make sure you watch them as well. So that would be very interesting. Okay, so this is basically regarding Infibeam. So money flow index also will remain sideways, because little accumulation type is seen in chart patterns, because quality stocks, so nothing negative regarding fundamentals. So everybody will try to accumulate. So let it correct little bit and then try to buy the stock. So 40 rupees is a very quick support, and after that 45 is another resistance that we need to watch out. If it crosses that, then definitely we may see some bullishness. So bonus and all, I told you, shares when they'll receive. So tomorrow check your demat once again, especially portfolio, how many shares you have, so that you will find the bonus shares. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in Instagram, or you can message me in comment section. So until then, take care. Bye bye.